Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a brand new model from Scout. It's their 231 XSB. This is a new model within their Bay Boat or crossover series. So in addition to the 231 XS that has been in production for a few years, the XSB has an all-new bow setup. So you can see we've got the big chase lounge forward, like you see on the 215 and the 235 XSFs. We've got U-shaped seating up in the bow with removable backrests. Also storage lockers, 3 total. Trolling motor is an option, so this boat can be heavily equipped for fishing, but also gives you some nice creature comforts for when it's time to cruise with the family. Full glass windshield. Hardtop is a new option. Full hull black here. This is a 10-foot power pole. Mercury Verado engine with a standard jack plate. We've got twin live welds on either side on the aft end. Optional aft seating here. There's a cushion that goes in place for a stern seat, and then you have the 3 drop-in backrests. Notice the diamond stitch upholstery. You've got bolsters that work independently of each other, so you can have a nice leaning post while your passenger sits. Black acrylic dash, Garmin screen, Fusion Bluetooth radio. Trim tabs with indicators. You got storage beneath the aft seat. Cooler beneath. Over here on the port side, got a really nice head compartment. Nice finishing on the floor. There's all the cushions with the bow seating and the aft seating. Rod holder storage is forward. And that's a look at Scout's new 231 XSB. For more information about this new model, give us a call at 843-747-1889. And always check us out online at MarineMax.com. Thanks for watching.